All right, our second objective as part of our lesson 5.2 is that students will be able to reflect on their values and write a personal mission statement for giving. Remember, you have time and effort as two resources that you can give and donate to others. That's what SSL hours is all about. Okay, back to this. Students will be able to reflect on their values and write a personal mission statement for giving, analyze common pitfalls of philanthropic giving, and discuss a case study of youth-led philanthropy. All right, what does that all mean? Well, in the first place, if we reflect on values and write a personal mission statement for giving, what do you value? What is important to you and your ongoing life? Do you value anything in the real world that doesn't directly affect you? Do you care about others? Assuming you value life in general and consider that other humans are also entitled to living a happy life, can you include philanthropy, a spirit of giving, into your life's mission? Can this be a part of your life's goals? We'll also analyze common pitfalls of philanthropic giving. In other words, what can go wrong when you decide to give some of your personal time and effort or money toward the cause of helping others? Are we talking about criminal scams? Are we talking about bad management and stupid mistakes being made getting volunteer contributions to those who need them? Those are some of the topics that we'll be covering. And we'll also discuss a study of youth-led philanthropy. We'll watch a YouTube video on the topic, then we'll answer some questions and ideally discuss during class our various opinions. Our third objective as part of lesson 5.3 is students will be able to consider how they could incorporate charitable giving into their finances. Identify criteria they can use to evaluate charities, including mission, finances, and leadership, and research and compare charities to determine to which they would donate. All right, what does that all mean? Consider how they could incorporate charitable giving into their finances. As high school students, you probably don't have any extra money to give away, but you do have time and physical capabilities. Both of these are valuable assets that you can donate to others. How long do you think you could incorporate charitable giving into your life? Just for a short time? Forever? What do you think about changing your mind about donating your time and efforts? All right, and another objective is to identify criteria they can use to evaluate charities, including mission, finances, and leadership. A lot of this work involves finding reputable sources of information to help us evaluate charities, including mission statements and finances and leadership. So we'll be using the internet for a lot of our research in this, and we'll be relying on reputable sources to get our work done. Okay, research and compare charities to determine to which they would donate. There are plenty of online resources that we will use to help us evaluate various charities. Which charities are the most appealing? Which charities are not that appealing? And why is there any kind of a difference? We'll take a look at that. And what happens when criminals get involved with charity? What sorts of scams are out there? And how can you protect yourself from charity scams? Okay, that's a wrap up of what we'll be doing over the next week or two as we complete the Magruder Philanthropy project in our financial mathematics class.